Looking for a hand mixer that actually makes your baking easier and faster? The Hamilton Beach hand mixer promises just that with its powerful 290-watt motor and smart design. Whether you're whipping cream, kneading bread dough, or mixing cookie batter, this mixer aims to handle it all without the hassle. What sets this mixer apart is its twisted wire beaters, crafted to mix faster and clog less. That means less time untangling and more time creating. Plus, it offers 6 different speeds, including a QuickBurst button for when you need an extra kick of power. The pulse function on the lowest speed gives you even more control, reducing mess. Perfect when you're adding flour or delicate ingredients. The set comes with 6 handy attachments: 2 twisted wire beaters, a milkshake blending rod, dough hooks, and a whisk. All of these snap neatly into the included snap-on storage case, keeping your kitchen clutter-free and your tools within easy reach. The convenient eject trigger makes swapping attachments quick and cleanup simple. One user shared how this mixer replaced a 30-year-old stand mixer in their kitchen. Baking cookies twice a week and making bread daily, they found the Hamilton Beach hand mixer reliable and powerful enough to handle heavy wheat dough without breaking a sweat. They also praised how easy it is to clean and how the storage case keeps everything organized. No more digging through drawers. The only minor gripe was the lowest speed still feels a bit fast, requiring a cautious pulse technique when mixing flour to avoid a kitchen mess. But once the ingredients are combined, ramping up the speed is smooth and effective. This small trade-off doesn't overshadow the overall performance and convenience. If you're tired of bulky stand mixers or want a versatile, easy-to-use hand mixer that delivers solid results every time, the Hamilton Beach hand mixer is worth a look. It offers what you need for everyday baking and cooking tasks, with thoughtful features that make your kitchen routine smoother. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your mixing game. Whether you're an occasional baker or a kitchen pro, this mixer brings power, precision, and neat storage all in one compact package.